Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sharp Raleigh, and we're going to do a quick podcast. It's going to be a little bit longer, but we are going to talk about, of course, EB1 with things not going very well when it comes to the economy. We just had UK officially going into recession and Japan. So we are expecting something similar, maybe not a recession, but a huge downturn coming to the United States. And the huge downturn will, of course, involve pretty much all of us will be affected. And especially people on H1Bs, on non-immigrant visas, there will be a lot of layoffs. Having said that, now a lot of people have been waiting for years on their green card. And of course, one of the you need immediate solutions and intermediate, and of course, you will need final solutions. The immediate solution will be to keep you in the United States, either to temporary on a B1, B2 visa, or on an F1 visa, or another kind of visa that will allow you to stay here. So those are the first steps, right? However, in the long term, more appropriately, you will want to have something that will give you a green card. And once you lose the job, it's very hard because the I-140, even though it's valid to do other things, the I-140 might not be good enough, will probably not be good enough to actually get you what we call your green card, because you will need the company to help you to move forward. So in order to avoid that, one of the options we have is the national interest waiver, or I'm sorry for that, if my phone is acting up, the national interest waiver, or ultimately we can look into the EB1, which is more favorable for Indians in terms of if you qualify for it. Now, the EB1, of course, I talk extensively about it. We have 10 elements. You need to prove 3 of them, 10 criteria, I mean. And I'm not going to go into those details, but I'm going to tell you some tricks of the trade, because a lot of times people think they don't qualify because they don't work hard enough to push those qualifications, those criteria. And we can help them push them by guiding them, by working with them, okay, where they are missing, where they can go and find those stuff. But of course, they have to have the necessary at least the foundation of it, right? You can't just pick from nothing and then get it. But many people do have it, especially if you're in the Bay Area, you're working in the Silicon Valley with a high salary, etc. You already have one of the elements and one of the criteria, and we just have to prove 2 more. But most of the time what we do, we try to put a little bit more, sometimes even proving 4 or 5, just in case some of the elements are weak. However, don't try to prove all the 10 of them. You will probably not qualify, and because nobody has all the 10 of them, unless you are some kind of whiz person or whatever you call it, a genius. But right now, you need to get 3 out of the 10 criteria, which I've talked about in my other videos. But we can help you in each of those criteria, can help you, guide you how to do your publications. We can help you with the trade publications. We can help you to choose what type of membership group you might be trying to seek to join, or they're offering you. By the way, you cannot just go and ask them to join. You need to qualify, and they invite you to join those groups. Then ultimately you will have this member of an esteemed organization by invitation only, for example. Judging the work of others. This is another thing. A lot of people think it's a big thing. They have to judge major competitions, etc. No, you don't. There are many times you will be judging the work of others just by doing some part of your work, or your company sends you to another place, asks you to do an extra work to verify the work of the others, judging it. Those can be used also. So let us help you. We can do the EB1. We're doing a lot of them. Feel free to reach out to us, 510-7425-887, info@piralilaw.com, and please visit our website, piralilaw.com. We'll be glad to help you and assist you with all your immigration needs. Thank you so much, and good luck to you. Anything I told you today is my opinion. You should not act or frame to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. Good luck. Take care.